Welcome to the Talius Stamp Manager Maintenance Portal tutorial. Once you receive your invitation email, simply log into the Stamp Manager using your provided credentials. Here on the main page, you will see the side menu, which can be expanded to reveal additional options. Inside this menu, you'll find some basic settings, user management capabilities, and a convenient Report a Bug button. Clicking on the Report a Bug button will open up a dedicated window, allowing you to send any issues or bugs directly to our development team. Below that, you will find the What's New button, where you can review detailed version changelogs and stay updated on improvements. Going back to the main page, you will see your deployments clearly listed. Click on any deployment to expand its details. Over to the right, you'll notice an orange spanner icon with a number in red, indicating the total amount of current maintenance events for your location. Also to the right of that, you may see a lightning bolt icon, which indicates that there are currently devices on battery power that have lost their main power connection and need immediate attention. Let's click on the power failures to explore this feature. This brings up a dedicated portal displaying only active power failure events. As you can see, this particular device has 15 hours left of battery power before it completely depletes. This calculation is based on a 40-hour window from the time it initially lost power. Closing this view and going back, we will now navigate into the main portal. Opening this section will give us a comprehensive view of all maintenance events across your system. Starting from the top, we can see the total current events distributed across the number of accounts. We are able to efficiently filter down using the status badges: offline, recent, aging, old, and on battery. There is also a helpful legend positioned to the right that clearly explains the parameters of these classifications. Going down further, there are additional filter and sorting options available. You can search by specific account ID, filter by location or site, select event type, sort by days old, and utilize various other sorting options. Simply press the Clear All button to instantly remove all current filters. On an event row, you will see comprehensive information: how many days old the event is, the timestamp of when that event occurred, the location, account ID, detailed description of the event, the device's most recent activity, the severity of the event, battery icon if applicable, and several important action buttons. The first button is for comments. These prove invaluable to leave detailed notes on a specific event, perhaps to relay important information to fellow maintenance technicians. Simply type in your comment and press Add Comment. You can also delete comments when they are no longer needed. The second button provides access to see more in-depth technical details on the event. The third button opens up an event history window that will display all previous events that have occurred on this device. These logs are extremely helpful when troubleshooting recurring issues. The fourth and final button is to acknowledge an event. If the event has been successfully rectified, simply click this button, select an appropriate reason, and leave an optional short message. The event will be classified as resolved and will no longer appear in your active list. You also have the ability to bulk select events for efficient management. Simply use the individual checkboxes to select specific events you want, or use the top checkbox to select all visible events at once. You will notice two new buttons appear when bulk selecting. The first one is the Email Selected function. Clicking this allows you to email certain events to anyone you choose. Simply type in their email address, add a subject line, and compose a short message to them. Then click Send. The second option is the Acknowledge Selected feature. This powerful tool allows you to acknowledge multiple events at one time. Similar to the Single Acknowledge function, select a reason and type in a short message in the Additional Notes field. Then click Acknowledge All. Back at the top of the window, there is a second tab called Audit Report. In here, you will find a comprehensive log of all the actions completed by yourself or colleagues in the maintenance portal. Lastly, at the top right of the window, you will find the Export drop-down menu. Clicking this will give you two valuable options. Either export all current events to a CSV file for further analysis, or generate a formatted PDF report of the last 7 days' worth of events for review. Evazui. This concludes our tutorial of the maintenance portal. Thank you.